Yeah, so Jerusalem artichokes, also known as sunchokes, are a perennial root crop, and they're actually part of the dahlia family. And you eat the roots, and it's basically like this kind of gnarly looking smaller potato. It's less starchy than a potato.
Some people may identify it like looking like ginger root.
Oh yeah, I guess it does look like ginger root. And it's less starchy than a potato. It's a lot of people who try to eat low starch do enjoy them because it's lower on the glycemic index, if you know what that means. And yeah, they are perennial, so they come back year after year. They do tend to spread a little bit, but once they spread to a certain point, they kind of just stop.
There is a burgundy root color, and then there is a white, and that is most prevalent in the online shopping. You're not going to find these at grocery stores to eat. You may find them occasionally at a farmer's market in the fall because they take 150 days to grow, full sun preferred, and they'll grow in any conditions, really, any soil conditions. And if you're trying to extract, if you're concerned, I want to have this bed regenerate next year, you're going to dig up the plant or the root ball, pull all the roots, all the tubers out that you think you can find, throw one big one back in the hole, move on to the next plant, and you're going to be fine. Even if you think you've got them all out, you haven't got them all out. But just like anything, the larger the tuber, the larger the plant's going to be the next year.
And you might think to yourself, what if I try to sell my house and then these are growing in the backyard?
Mow them down, don't say anything.
Don't say anything. Also, they do produce, usually pretty flowers. So,
and this is something that is called a survival food because a lot of people just think it's a tall weed and they don't know what's underneath of it, underneath the ground.